Hello, good afternoon. Action of chemotherapeutic agent against the microorganism. The molecules of the drug may affect the enzyme or essential metabolite, may change the permeability of the biological membrane of the organisms, or may form chelates with the vital metal ions. The pharmacological effects does not depend on the chemical structures of the drug molecules. These are structurally non-specific drugs. The mechanism of action of these drugs depend on their physiochemical properties, example, solubility, volatility, etc. The activity of most of the drugs is depend on the chemical structures of the drug molecules. These are structure-specific drug, that is, it acts only on receptor of the cell. These drugs can attack the invading attack organisms by the following types of activities. They inhibit an enzyme system by interacting with definite groups or groups of the enzymes. Example, beta-lactam antibiotics, example, penicillin, inhibit the enzyme that is synthesis bacterial cell wall. This is the peptidase, active site of the beta-lactam. Acylated peptidase. Some drugs act by the antagonizing, that means dislike you, the essential metabolite of the invading microorganism. Example, sulfur drugs antagonize essential metabolites, para-aminobenzoic acid, PABA. The essential structural unit which resemble with essential metabolite, para-aminium benzoic acid, both in shape and size, polarity, etc. So microorganism incorporates para-aminobenzene sulfonamide unit in place of para-aminobenzoic acid into its folic acid and fails to synthesize the essential metabolite. Para-aminobenzoic acid sulfonyl amide unit. Some drugs act by changing the transport process across the membrane. Membranes are actually osmotic barriers between the internal contents of the cell and its external environment. For example, digoxin alters the rate of the potassium ion influx and sodium ion outflow across the membranes of the heart cells and thereby acts as the cardiotonic. Some drugs produce pore in the cellular membrane of the microbes and kill them. Ionophoric drugs like gramicidine. Formation of stable metal chelates with metal ions essential for the microorganism to synthesize its proteins also can kill the microorganism, for example, tetracyclines. For drugs may inhibit DNA, diribonucleic acid, DNA synthesis of the microorganisms, for example, antiviral drugs. Some drugs disorganize the cytoplasmic membranes of invading microorganisms, resulting in the leakage of cellular contents. As a result, membranes are disrupted, for example, polypeptide drug like polymyxins. Okay, it's all about action of chemotherapeutic agents. against the microorganism. Thanks for watching and request you all like and share, subscribe. Thank you for facing. That is now bye bye.